Hey everyone, it's your favorite host, Sir Kennedy here. Ready to embark on another thrilling Photoshop adventure with you? Today we're diving deep into some essential tools that are going to elevate your editing game. Are you ready to sharpen those photo editing skills and unleash your inner creative genius? If the answer is yes, then you've landed in the right spot. Together, we'll explore the most powerful tools, discover how they work, and learn the secrets to making your designs truly pop. So, grab your favorite snack, settle in, and get comfy. We are about to embark on a journey that will definitely be worth your time. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Let's dive right in.